How's everybody doing? Tinkering with Harleys. I want to thank all of you who have subscribed, and if you're watching these videos, by all means, please subscribe. Well, the last few videos I've been doing, I've been showing you that motor tear down a piece at a time, and I'm doing it that way so, it's not one long video. But today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to show you some of the stuff I do that I normally do, which is why I do the motor in my spare time, because I get work coming in here, plus life's everyday events. It keeps me from doing things. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to, if you have directionals that loosen up, which do happen, I'm going to show you how to fix those, how to take them off, and how to fix them so they don't loosen up and turn down on you anymore. So we'll get right to it. Now, this is what I'm talking about. As you can see here, this one loosened up. I've got the pinch bolt loose already, but this whole thing is loosened up. And if you have this type of directional, and it's aftermarket but not aftermarket, these are actually from Harley Davidson. This is a 2001 Sportster. It's a 1200 custom. This is one that we've gone over and done a lot of work to, and we kind of refurbished this whole bike, new gas tank, new seat, put an S&S carburetor on it, got Dynatech ignition. The handlebars were, the drag bars that were on it they were already there. And on this model, the directionals used to come on handlebars, so the previous owner moved these down. So, and when they do, because of the vibration from the bike, they loosen up. So, and they loosen up right here at the pivot point, and they'll get turned, and they're just annoying looking. So we're going to show you how to get this all done. Now, this pinch bolt, this is a pinch bolt for your tube. I've already loosened this up some. So here's what we got. And you can see right there that just turns back and forth. And if you look down in there, there's an Allen screw that goes into this. You can't get inside it from inside the bucket. You have to get it down this long tube. So we'll get an Allen wrench and we'll get this out. Now on this one, this takes a 1/4 inch Allen. And you just get in there like that, loosen it up, and you can see the arm wiggling around now. And once we get that loose, we'll pull that right off. And this is an easy fix. It gets annoying. These loosen up from vibration. And these Sportsters do vibrate. There we go. And there's the bolt that was on it. There was a little Loctite on there, but gonna need a little bit more. So now we'll go over and we'll get that taken care of. So we took this bolt, we cleaned it up some, and now we're gonna take and stick it right down in there. And now we're gonna get it started in here. Now what we're going to do, we're going to get it snug. We're not going to get it all the way tight, and we're going to try to match it with the other side so they're both even. And this Loctite will hold it. It won't vibrate loose. And you got to make sure you have it on the right angle. So it goes into the pinch bolt. So what we're gonna do We're going to put it on like that and match it with the other side. So now we're going to tighten it. It looks pretty good with the other side where it sets, but we got to try not to move that arm. There we go. Now after you do that, you take and you match it up again. And that looks pretty good. So now we'll go ahead and we'll get the pinch bolt back in there. Okay, so we got some Loctite on the pinch bolt. We're going to line that up. Get it started in there. And you do the same thing when you're doing this. You get it snug enough where you can match it, but it'll hold still and you can move it if you have to. Okay, now you got it where, well, a little bit too tight. Let's see what it looks like. It's got to come up a little bit. There, that should do it right there. We'll take a look at it. And that should do it. And now we're going to go ahead and get it as tight as we can get it. Make sure that pinch bolt is as tight as humanly possible while you're holding this so it doesn't move. And that should do it. And you can see now they're both even. And neither one of those, I already fixed the one on the left side, so we just did the right side. So now they'll both stay in place. So that's going to do it for today. I hope this helps somebody. And thank you all for watching. And until next time, everybody be safe out there.